Today, I'm going to show you how to open a Yeti Rambler lid. There's two ways you can open this lid for different purposes. I'm going to show you how to do that. Right here I have the Yeti Rambler. I think this is the 10 ounce. I can't remember. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. It's about 10 ounces, I believe. And this is the Lowball. Now, in order to open the lid, you have the mouth part right here to where you can drink out of. And then you have this part where you open it up to actually add fluid into there. So you have this part where you push it up, you hold it around the Yeti, and then push up perhaps with your thumb. It pops open with the gasket right here. So that's one way to open the lid. And then there is a second one. First, I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Putting it back on, you just simply slide it back into place. And this is the mouth part for sipping, like a sippy cup, an adult version of a sippy cup. You just take your thumb, press it backwards like that, and now you're able to sip from this. And when you don't want to sip, you just simply slide this back into place just like that. See that? So it goes boom, boom, cha. Boom, boom, cha, cha, cha. Look at that. That's how you open